inversely proportional to d square. D square means distance square. Then we got this formula. Am I right? Now just I am recapping fast. If any doubt is there, please tell me.
Um, no, no.
No, G value is this one. G is the use. G is what? What is the G? Capital G.
Capital G is gravitational constant.
Yes, gravitational constant. That value is 6.67 into 10 over minus 10. Correct? Now I am asking that when earth is there, when we are sitting on the earth, what we are, our weight is measuring. We are measuring our weight. Correct na? What is the weight? Weight is includes of mass into mg. Mass into gravity. Gravity means acceleration due to gravity. It is nothing but the force of attraction between the earth and ourselves. Is it clear?
The object.
Object, anybody, any object, correct? So can you tell me object is also attracting the earth towards me object, or only earth is attracting?
Can you say again?
See, I am saying only earth is attracting the object, or object is also attracting the earth?
Object also attracting the earth, but it's
Yes,
very small.
also object is also attracting the earth. Please understand, correct? Now this, whether this theory can be applicable for the planet also, like earth and moon, or sun and earth, is it applicable or not?
Yes, yes.
Earth is attracting the moon or not? Please tell me yes or no.
Yes.
Then why moon is not coming down to the earth?
Because I don't know.
No, you just think anything is got attraction force, then it should come down not to the earth.
Maybe it's not strong enough. I don't know.
No, not strong enough. Or see, okay, I will explain you. In the centripetal force, what we have learned, if any object is rotating around, any object is rotating, what force is needed for the rotation?
Yes, centripetal force.
Yes, centripetal force is working which direction?
To the radius.
To the center. Yes, to the center. Please tell me if moon is stationary or it is rotating around the earth?
Moon is rotating.
Rotating around the earth. So for keep on rotating, a centripetal force is required or not?
Yes.
That centripetal force is provided by whom?
Gravitational force.
Yes, gravitational attraction force of between the moon and earth. Is it clear now? So this force is balanced, means it is a centripetal force is there. So that is the reason, if suppose moon stop the rotation, then it will be come down. Please understand. If the moon is stop rotating the earth, what happen? Immediately it will fall down. Is it clear? So what I am trying, what will be formula for our this one is there? Please tell me what formula for this one it becomes. G mass of the earth, mass of the moon, divide by
distance.
distance between the center to center. Correct na?
Yes.
Or we will write r, small r.
So distance from center to center.
Yes, r is the center to center. Is must be equal to how much?
Is equal to G. To centripetal force.
Yes,
M-
centripetal force.
mv square divided on r.
Yes. got cancel. R got cancel one. What is the velocity of the moon?
Velocity is going to be root square of r g m earth divided on r square.
R square. R square, sorry. Now you tell me GME we have written here, you look here, this is the equal. Can I replace the G?
Why did you? Oh, sorry. Why did you cancel one r?
R square is there here. Oh,
Radius.
yeah.
It's.
Oh,
Okay.
sorry.
It's the
I have
same
written.
r. Huh?
I have written a square also here. R it should be. R cancel, na?
Yes.
Please tell me, GME can I shift here by GR square?
What shift what?
This one, you look here. This formula can I apply here?
Yes.
V is equal to GR square by R square root. Agreed? Okay. Now you tell me satellite. Have you heard about the satellite? What is the satellite doing?
I mean, they use it like to observe.
We are satellite means it is rotating about the earth, correct na?
Yes.
It is rotating at a certain distance of the earth, correct? Who is rotating means who is providing the energy? Who is
Also, the
providing?
centripetal force.
Yes, though there is no power is needed to the once you put in the circular path with some certain velocity one time. Is it clear? Because if you put stationary satellite, it will fall down. Am I right or not? Just I have given the moon example, na? See, suppose
Yes.
you have given one satellite, you have thrown the satellite. Let us make first Earth. This is our Earth, correct? You have thrown one satellite here. It will be pushed up like this one, correct? Some certain height it will be goes, and then you give the tangential velocity. Am I right or not? After means suppose you reach the orbit. This orbit you want to rotate the satellite. Is it clear? So what happened? After that also any power engine is required to keep on rotating or not?
No.
No. So what is the formula act here? Please tell me.
This formula velocity v is equal to g r square.
M by again R
square.
is the radius plus h is the height. At what altitude? Sometimes it is question, it is asking what altitude. Altitude means height from the surface. Altitude. Is it clear? R plus h whole square. Is it clear? Is must be equal to how much? Please tell me. It must be equal to
is equal? Mass of Earth?
no, yaar. This you told the centripetal of force. It should be equal to.
Yes.
It is the m is the mass of the satellite, small m. Correct na?
Yes, m v square divided on the same r plus h.
What is the velocity of the satellite? For keeping the rotation, velocity must be the satellite should be thrown with this velocity. Is it clear? mm cancel. You are seeing that satellite, it doesn't depends on the mass of the satellite. Velocity doesn't depends on the mass of the.
Satellite.
Are you agree with me or not? If you are not agree, please tell me.
Yes, I understand.
Again, GME we can remove it. Is it clear? Now, suppose you want transmission towers, means signals, correct na? Suppose signals, how it is transferring. Have you heard about the geostationary satellite?
Yes, I
Geostationary.
think. Yes.
What is that one? Why it is called geostationary satellite? No
I don't
idea.
know.
No idea. Very good. Okay. Look here. Suppose this is your US. I will make one diagram for the US. Suppose this is the US. Correct? Na? What happen? You want to, suppose you are in the New York. You want to send the signals at this end. Suppose Washington DC. What you will do, please tell me. You need one tower. First you send this tower to here, then this tower will be sent here. Otherwise you cannot send like this horizontally. One tower is needed na, like a TV towers or something, so that the first signals will goes to the highest point of this tower, and this tower will be signal transferred to this way. Like this way it is communication is happening na. Are you aware of that one? Signal transfer. Means a high tower is required for because to cut curtail down this obstacle. Correct? Why?
Okay.
Because obstacle is required, because earth is not horizontal surface. Earth is like curved surface. Is it clear? If you send the horizontal, it will be signal will not reach this point. Am I right or not? That is the reason they are using the high point. Am I right? Suppose you want to send the TV signals or some signals from US to India. How much height towers you can provide? You cannot provide so much height. Kilometers together. Am I right or not? Not understood what I'm trying to tell you.
No, I understand. You're saying that which height of the towers
Yes,
you can
towers. It is very
transfer.
difficult. After some height, you cannot construct them. Suppose I will say you construct 100-kilometer height tower. Can you construct it?
Um,
No. I don't
no.
think so. No. So what happened? What is the solution now? We need one tower at height of 100 kilometers.
You put like a satellite.
Satellite at what? Satellite will be location will be changing na. Then signal location you have to change it. So we need a
So
satellite. It is stand like just above the US surface. Means yeah, US means if you are at New York, it should remain always at the New York City. Is it possible?
I guess so.
You guess so, because I am teaching. How is it possible? It means Earth is rotating about its axis. Am I right? If satellite speed of the rotations and Earth
It's the
speed is
same.
the same, then what happen? Please tell me. It you will
Then
feel
it's just gonna remain on the same
you will
spot.
feel as it is a stationary satellite. It is not moving with respect to your location. It is moving with respect to your location or my
To
location.
the location.
Yeah. So that is called geostationary satellite. So time period, please mind it, geostationary satellite time period is always equal to how much hours? How much hours?
24.
Are wow, very good. 24 hours. Is it clear? Generally, this type of satellites used at the equator because Earth is rotating about the North Pole to South Pole axis. Correct, na? You cannot put on the satellite on the North Pole or South Pole. Correct or not?
Yes.
So it will be rotate in the equator side. It will be, suppose it is here, you can rotate here like this one. Is it clear? So geostationary satellite time period will be 24 hours. So geostationary satellites always is having the fixed height. Correct na? Because we cannot change the velocity. Velocity is also restriction is there na? Velocity restriction is what restriction is there? Please tell me. V is always equal to the, just now we have the formula.
V is equal to.
Arey, just this one formula here, just we have derived.
Yes. G M Earth R plus H.
It means what? If height we are going on increasing, velocity will be
Decreasing.
Right na? But V we required what? V we required the very constant that is called 2 pi R plus H divided by T, time period of the rotation. Is it clear?
2 pi R, it means like the
Circumference
how
of
to
the
say,
orbit.
or yes, yes.
Circumference of the what? Orbit of the satellite.
Orbit.
Yeah. Is it clear? So geostationary satellite sometimes asks, normal satellite is asked, correct na? But satellite is used, then you don't use this formula. You cannot say the time period will be 24 hours. Is it clear? Once we will use for what? We will use for what? Normal satellite.
So what, for satellite?
Normal satellite. Normal. Means geosatellite is not mentioned. Geostationary satellite is not mentioned. We will use this formula. Okay. Now some laws are there. Some laws like Kepler's law. Have you heard about the Kepler's law?
Yeah.
What is that one?
I don't remember. Something about the movement of the.
Yes, movement of the planets. Correct na? So Kepler has given the 3 laws. How many? 3 laws. First you tell me whether you are familiar with the elliptical path.
Yeah, elliptical path.
What is the elliptical path is having this one? Elliptical path like circle is having one center, but elliptical path is having focus, 2 focus point. Like this is the elliptical path, correct na? Here also one focus here. Is it clear? So the Kepler's first law says any planets moves not a circular path. They are moving actually in elliptical path.
Yes.
Who says? Kepler's.
Kepler.
But we have already decided that mb square r by is this one. We are assuming that it is circular path. Correct na?
Circular. Yes.
Formula we will use that one only. Math, for any calculation math we will use that one only. Please understand. Now what Kepler says, all the planets is moving in the elliptical path when the sun is at the focus of that path. Sun is at one of the focus point of the focal length of the means sun will be lies here or anywhere at this position, correct na? So which point I say? Any point I will take. Let us say this is the sun. So planet we will take. One planet should be required or not? So we will take one planet. We have taken the planet.
Mm-hmm.
This is a planet, correct? Is it rotating? How it is rotating?
An elliptical path.
Yes, this is on this path. Am I right? It can come here, it can come here, it can come here any point. And sun is here. Okay. This is the first law is very simple, na? No maths.
Yeah.
Second law says if we join the line, listen carefully, listen carefully. If you miss the listening, then it is if we join the line of the sun center and the radius, then earth will be moving, the line will be also move, na? Suppose
Yes.
here line will also come. It is telling that in equal interval of time, in equal interval of time means what? If t times you have taken 5 minutes or 5 hours, it will swap equal area wherever a location of the earth or planet may be. You understood what importance law is there? You
Can you just repeat again?
in equal interval of time. Interval of time means maybe 1 hour, 2 hour, 5 hours, whatever time as per your choice. Correct na? Or 5 days, 7 days. It's saying equal in the equal interval of time, line joining the sun and the planet swaps. Swaps means cover this area. See, once earth is here P1, it comes to P2. How much area it swaps? This area? It swaps equal area. Like this one. Suppose earth is here. Some location, some point of time, earth is at this point. It will swap equal area. What is the area? Equal area in equal interval of time. What does it means? Please tell me. This is the equal see, farthest means this is the distance will be lowest, na, because the area is same. Am I right or not? If A1 area is equal to A2 area, A1 is equal to A2 when if both time is equal, T1 is equal to T2. Is it clear?
Yes, yes. So it means with like a constant acceleration is moving.
No acceleration here. Here no acceleration. Please listen only. Just listen. I am saying only this sun line joining the sun and planet. What is the line joining the sun and planet? This one. P1 F1. Swaps. Swaps means understood, na?
Yes, yes.
Swaps equal area. This area. In equal interval of time. It doesn't depend on the location. So if I draw this diagram here, what you will think over? You will see what conclusion you will take here from this one. Please tell me. Because I am making smaller little bit here because it is a small area. If I take big distance, na, you cannot make the equal area. Correct, na? So that is the reason here, this one area. because it is bigger length, na?
Mhm.
This side, right side is bigger area. So we have to make this,
Yes.
correct, na? Small distance here.
Mhm. Mhm.
So this is the time t1. This is also time t2.
Mhm.
So what your t1 is equal to t2. It means what? Here you see the earth is distance travel is from p1 to p2. Here suppose
Mhm.
p3 to p4. What you are seeing?
Mhm.
p3 to p4 is smaller or p1 p2 is greater? Which one is greater?
What do you mean? Ah, it's the same.
Area is same.
Suppose.
I am telling the path p1 p2. P1 p2 is the
Ah, P1, P2 is bigger.
bigger, but time is taken same, na? It means
Mhm.
earth is having here more velocity, here less velocity. That is the conclusion I wanted to draw. Here
Mhm.
if it is nearer to the sun, it is having
Mhm.
more velocity. If it is farthest from the sun, it is having less velocity.
Mhm.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Why? Because as per the Kepler's second law, in equal interval of times, line joining the sun and planet swaps equal area.
Mhm.
Is it clear?
Mhm.
Now comes to the third law. Third law.
Mhm.
What is the third law says? Third law, see, sun is having many planets, you know that.
Mhm.
So each their time period is same or it is different?
Different.
The third law says about the time period. Third law says about the time period of the
Time period.
rotation.
Mhm.
What it says, t square is proportional to r cube. Means what? Means what?
Um, Means that the
Time
time
period
period
of a
is more.
planet is directly square of the time period of the planet. Time period means, what
Mhm.
is the time period means? Time required to
How fast it makes one circle.
how fast make one path, complete
Yeah, one path.
one circle, one elliptical path, not circular path.
Yes.
Okay,
Mhm.
so t square is directly proportional to r cube. I'm very simple way I'm telling you, correct na? It
Mhm.
means
Mhm.
that suppose earth is there, what is the time period of the earth? Tg is must be equal to proportional to some distance r. R means distance from the earth center to sun center,
Mhm.
not the height. Center.
Yes, I understand.
uh, is it clear? Let me see what are
Mhm.
the topics is balanced now. Equal areas I have sought. Square of the period planet are proportional to the cube of their mean distance. Cube of their mean distance. If you write in the word cube of the mean distance, correct na?
Mhm.
And this one equal area swaps out equal area in equal interval of time. Equal interval of time.
Mhm.
Now Kepler's law I have discussed about the variation of the gravity, variation of the,
Mhm. Gravity.
and one more discuss gravitational potential I was discussing yesterday, but you told something you have just gravitational.
Yeah, gravitational potential.
Yeah, look here, this mobile phone,
Mhm.
if I keep
Mhm.
down, it is having potential energy less or more? Please tell me.
Less.
Less. Very good. If I increase the height, you can see it.
More. Mhm.
If height I will increase the object, what?
Yes.
It is having more.
It's gonna it's gonna be more.
What is
Yes.
the equal to? How much is equal to?
MGH.
Mgs. Very nice. If I keep on the earth, then
It's zero.
0. Very good. But what formula we have read just now for the gravitational potential energy of the earth is equal to G m1 m by r minus r is the r is what? The distance between the
Distance
object and to the center of the
of the of Earth.
earth, or I will write r plus h. Better understanding. Always I will write r plus h. Then how it will be zero? Yeah, h, if h is I am putting zero, where the potential energy is coming? How it is zero? And at height, potential energy is equal to mgh. It is not matching. Why these two formula is not matching? What is the wrong with this? You told when the earth surface, at the surface of the earth, the potential energy will be zero. Correct na? When it is going some height, you told it is equal to mgh. Mgh, you are taking the height from the earth surface. But I am saying this is the distance actually we are taking. When the at the earth surface it is taking minus gm by r. Is it clear? Then where is this formula goes wrong? Any idea?
No.
No. This formula is telling us what is the potential energy at the earth surface and at the height. How much difference is there? How much? What difference? Difference of the
Difference.
difference of what? Potential energy means at the earth surface and this height, how much potential energy difference is there? Correct na? So difference of the potential energy, how you will calculate from this formula? Please tell me. Difference of the potential energy. Difference of gravitational potential energy is equal to how much? Please tell me. When you take the height, correct? Minus g m1 m by r plus h. Correct? This is the minus for this original minus. Correct? Then you have to minus at the surface. Correct na? Anything difference you want to calculate at height, first you calculate and then you calculate at the bottom. Am I right or not? So bottom minus you will do. What is the bottom energy? Minus g m by r. Are you agree with me or not? Please tell me.
Yes.
This is the what it is telling. These two what it is saying. This is the energy difference between these two heights. Am I right? At top I have taken first because I know that top is more potential energy, then I have subtracted the bottom. Now you subtract it, do the sum mathematical and tell me whether mgh is coming or not. This equal, this should must be equal to comes what? Mgh should come na. Can you prove it? See, I will prove it. G m m by r plus h. Minus minus plus. Can I write? Can I take the common g mm? Both side is there. Please tell me what will be happen. G m m is what? Me, nothing but me, mass of the earth, and one is small m.
So 1 divided on r minus 1 divided on r plus h.
Very good. Please subtract it.
So it's going to be R plus H minus R. So R is going to cancel. So it's going to be H. Just H is going to, so R plus. So it's going to be G, M, E, M, H, R, and R plus H.
Very good. Correct na?
Yeah.
GME, can we shift it? What we can shift it? GME I told na, always we will do.
Yeah, we can do R,
GR square.
GR square.
Can I do na? G is what? 9.8. This is the G, not the gravitational constant. G. GR square in place of this. Valence is how much? M
M,
H
H,
R R plus,
R plus H.
not plus, multiplied. Correct. Now we
So it's going to be G, R, M, H, R plus H. R you can cancel.
R I can cancel. Okay. But where is the MGH is gone? Now you tell me, our radius of the earth is generally given 6400 kilometers. Am I right or not?
Yes.
If I add 1 meter, 2 meter in this one, 1 meter or 2 meters or 5 meters, or let us say 100 meters, or let us say 1 kilometer also, how big difference is making? Can I write R
No
plus
difference.
H nearly equal to R for a small value of R? Is small value of H.
H.
Is it clear? For what is small value? 100 meters, 200 meters, but not for 500 kilometers. Is it clear? What 100 meters, 200 meters, can I put this one? Then what formula my becomes?
MGH.
MGH. GRMH divided by R cancel, MGH. So what is the limitation of this one? H should be minimum compared to the radius of the earth. Is it clear? Not like 1000 kilometers. Then we cannot use this formula. So MGH is used only for the small height. Small height means not 1 meter height or 2 meter height. It can be used for 100 meter height also, because 100 meters also it is same. Is it clear?
No.
Very important formula, MGH. Now you are clear na? Now you cannot say the difference you understood or not. MGH means the potential energy difference at the earth and this height. It is not telling the potential energy at absolute percentage. No, it is compared to the earth's surface. Is it clear? Compared to the
Earth's
earth's
surface.
surface. Now one thing is there. Is it when we throw a stone on the top sky, what happen? Yeah, what is happening? Please tell me. When we throw something on the sky, like this one, we can throw. It is come down, na?
Yes.
Is always come down, or anything is possible to it should not come down? I want it should not come.
It's possible if you throw it very fast.
What velocity? Can you tell me that? Some velocity. 1 meter, 100 meter square, 100 meter per second, 200 meter per second. And why it will not come down? That is the two questions.
A velocity that it's gonna go into the centripetal
Not
force.
centripetal force. See, the earth gravitational field, it is go out from the earth gravitational field, it will never come out. What is that velocity? Means suppose here it is the earth is there, correct na? At very far distance, infinite distance, what is the energy, gravitational potential energy? Zero. So what here, what is the energy? Minus g m m by r, as I told you. Is it clear or not? What? So if this potential energy, if I add some kinetic energy in such a way that total will be zero, energy will become zero, then where it will be goes? It will be goes out of the earth surface or not? It will be goes out of the earth fields,
Gravitational.
earth gravitational field. It will never come back, or it will come back again. Suppose I want to throw somebody out of earth, what I will do? I will throw it with some speed. What is the speed I will need? What speed I need? Please tell me.
Speed v g m e.
No.
R
Listen. You are seeing something. See, minus g m m by r. Minus g m m by r. Plus, what I have to give kinetic energy? What kinetic energy formula?
1.5 mv square.
Is must be equal to 0. So,
Zero. Zero. Okay.
because here potential energy this one, I have to take out this. So I have to add the kinetic energy here to make it, because we know.
So,
Yeah.
can you say again why you adding this? So you take this potential energy at the surface of Earth,
No.
and then you take
I
the
am
kinetic.
saying I don't like these people. I want to send him. He should not come back to earth. So what speed I have to require to send him? I will give some kinetic energy here to this person. How much kinetic energy I will give? This half mv square.
1.5 mv square.
How much I will give? It should be added to its potential energy, and the result should be zero, because we know that at the infinity, what we know, at infinity gravitational potential energy is zero. Is it clear?
Zero.
So we are making him zero. Is it clear? If we give this velocity, he will not return back to the earth. Is it clear?
Okay.
So please calculate this velocity is called escape velocity, Vs.
Which escape?
Escape. How you pronunciation? I don't know. Escape. Escape.
Escape.
Well, how you told? Escape velocity. Please calculate the escape velocity formula. You calculate it. Let me see what you are doing.
So it's gonna be 1.5 mv square equal to 3 m.
You tell me. I will write fast. You tell me on the board.
So velocity, 1 second, is equal to root square of
Don't want in GM. You have to GR. You put it. GM is equal to GR square.
yes, gm is gr square divided on, so it's going to be gr, so it's going to be 2gr root square of 2gr.
Very good. Root square of 2 GR. Please calculate. I have told you G is 9.8. 2 into 9.81. R is 6,400 kilometers. So 6,400 into 1000. Please calculate.
64. 1 second. 9. Six. So it's going to be 112. It's going to be 1,000. No, 1 second. It's going to be 11,205.
11,205. That's
Five.
all. That's
Sorry?
all. This much speed only. First 11,205 meter speed I will give. Somebody will be out of the earth. Is it clear?
Yes, yes.
Correct or not? 11,205 meter per second. Initially I have thrown something. It will be out of the earth. It will never come back to earth. That velocity is called escape velocity. It doesn't depend on the mass. Please understand. Nowhere it is depending on the mass.
Yeah. Yes, yes.
Is it?
Only on
Only
radius.
on the radius. Radius is fixed, na?
Yes, I mean, so
It is a
basically
fixed
it's
quantity. It is a fixed.
Ah.
Is it clear?
Yes, so any object doesn't matter what's
Yes.
the mass.
And it depends only on the planet to planet. If moon you will go, you will put some moon radius, moon g. See, we are deriving this formula for different planets. You can derive that one, correct na? If mass of the moon, if it's given, mass of the gravitational of the gravity of the moon will be given, it will be given the moon, correct?
Yes.
Okay, you tell me, moon, if you go on the moon, moon will attract you or not?
Yes.
It will attract you. Same force as the earth it is, or it is less or more?
No.
Why less?
Because mass of the moon.
Yeah, very good. Mass of the moon is very less compared to earth. Okay, one intelligent question I am asking you. You have to think and then tell me. Okay? Intelligent questions. See, okay. I am Rajesh. My mass is suppose 80 kg. On the earth I am here right now. I gone to the moon. Is my mass will be 80 kg or it will be less?
It will be your mass.
I will not repeat the question.
Mass, no, mass is the same, but weight is
Yes, mass is going to be the same, 80 kg only. Correct?
Yes, yes.
Now my next part of the question, listen carefully and then tell me the answer. I have taken one spring balance here. Spring balance you know na? Spring balance have you seen or not seen? First you tell it.
Yes.
Or
Okay.
if you not seen, I will download one picture, then I will show you. You want me to?
No, it's okay.
If I have taken a spring balance,
Yes.
ठीक है? Okay. I have measured my mass with this spring balance, 80 kg I have found out. Is it clear? Where I am here right now here? Earth. Now I have carried, this is just intelligent question, no need of writing anything, just intelligent, my mind, just I am just seeing that how much you can apply your mind. I have taken this spring balance to the moon. This is my moon. And I have taken mass. I want to take my measurement. So here I will get the same 80 kg or less or more.
No, you're gonna get
Why?
less.
80, you are told na mass is same. Mass will remain same.
Yes, but this is not mass. This is it depends on the gravity.
Yes, it depends on the gravitational force. When gravitational force is 9.81, then only it will give the reading of 80 kg. Is it
80 kg.
good?
Yes.
Intelligent answer. Good. You have passed my exam. Good. Very good. Is it clear?
Yes. Yes.
But if I take simple balance here, then suppose I am going to take simple balance, then what happen? It will read 80 kg here or not? Suppose 80 kg.
What is
Simple balance you don't know. Simple balance here, just like simple balance diagram. Simple balance means one side you keep mass and one side you give. You have not.
Yes. Yes.
You have
Okay.
not
Okay.
gone to the
Okay.
vegetable
Okay.
market. They are keeping some simple balance. Oh,
Yes. Yes.
not
Yes. Yes.
electronic
Yes.
balance. I am talking about a simple balance. One side they will put the weight, the one side they will put the grocery. If I take that one 180 kg and one myself, then here it will be same or 80 kg or it will be less.
What do you put here on the other
The
side?
other side myself I put.
Yourself. Okay. It's gonna be 80 kg. It's gonna be same, I think, because gravity is
Gravity is same for this and this side. Is it clear? Yes,
Yes.
you are
Yes. Yes.
absolutely right. You have given all the question rightly. Good. Okay, let us do some questions fast.
Okay.
Have you selected some questions?
Are you gonna download?
Yeah. So everything I almost completed the gravitation.
When is your class? 6:45.
Yeah.
You said.
No problem. It is time is 7 o'clock. We will start. I've sent the message because you take the some question or otherwise I will ask you some questions. Whatever you prefer, you please tell me.
No, you can ask. You can ask question. I don't know
Don't know.
which
You,
one.
your simple answer is very simple answer. 3 word I don't know. That's all. Anything you will tell I don't know. After that, no reply. Escape velocity I have written VE. GR binding energy of the particle. Binding energy is. You are taking some questions. You take also. You select which you feel I am also selecting. If I send you on the WhatsApp, can you upload it quickly?
Yes. Yes, I can. Yes. Okay, I send you some question from this book.
Okay, you upload it then.
But it's from NEET. I don't know. It might be a little bit
No
difficult.
problem, yeah. NEET, you are preparing for the NEET, you are. Put it.
Okay, this question.
Yeah. Yeah, can you read it?
Okay. What height from the surface of Earth the gravitation potential and the value of G are minus 5.4107 Joule on kg minus 2 and 6 meter per second square respectively. Take the radius of Earth is 6,400 kilometer.
Yeah. See, they are asking the two things, means the potential energy also they have given. Potential energy at what height should be there? Please tell me, gravitational potential.
No, they're asking the height.
Correct.
So they're
Height
asking
means what?
potential
Height means what?
energy.
See, the gravitational potential energy is given here, minus. I know the formula for the gravitational potential energy. How much? Please tell me. Minus G M E, mass of the earth. Please tell me. Mass of the earth.
Minus G M mass of the Earth and then mass of the body.
Mass of the body.
Mass of the body and then divided on R square.
R square. R. This
No, just R.
and
Just
then
R.
G value.
G value
नहीं ले रही.
is 6. They're saying it's 6 meter per second
Yeah,
square.
6 meter per second. So please tell me, GME is equal to how much? Please tell me. Can we write the GR square?
Yes. So potential energy of gravitational potential energy
Equal to
G R square divided on R. So it's
into M.
minus
Into
G
M.
R
M is
M.
suppose it is not
Yes.
telling what mass. So we can at what height gravitational potential it is telling. See, when the potential energy will take. See, listen, there is a small things I forgot. What is the difference
Yes.
between the gravitational potential and gravitational potential energy? Is any difference is there? In the gravitational potential we will calculate for unit mass.
So mass, you don't need to know the
1.
mass here.
Gravitational potential, you please note down somewhere. Gravitational potential is must be when mass is equal to 1. Okay, now you please calculate. I will not give hints. You can do yours because I know that you can now calculate.
This
Yeah.
question. So it's just minus G R M. M we don't take
M
here,
you
so
will
it's just
take 1
minus G R.
kg.
So it's just minus G
GR. G is given, R is radius is given.
Yes.
Correct or not? So what will be the answer?
But I need to find the height.
Why height?
It says what height of the surface of the Earth.
This we put it to the R plus H.
So it's going to be minus G R square R plus
R
H.
plus H.
So you just put height from here. And potential energy I have. Okay.
Only one it is there. Variable. R is R we know. Correct na?
Yes, R we know, G we know, potential energy we know. So only H
You can
need to
calculate
find.
it. I know that you can calculate. Leave it.
Yes.
Correct na? So simple it is there. Simple or not?
Yeah.
Okay, next. Please calculate this one. Let me see what you are doing.
4. Okay. Ratio of escape velocity at Earth VE is to escape velocity at a planet VP, those whose radius mean density are twice as that of Earth is.
Twice that of the Earth is. How you will find there? Hmm.
Density, radius and
Hmm.
density. Okay, R of Earth is 2. 2R of Earth is R. But density,
See, whenever this type of
why?
comparison is there, you make case 1, case 2. I have already told you several cases, several times. Correct,
Hmm.
na? The ratio they are telling
Hmm.
one planet to another planet. Case 1 you take for Earth, case 2 you take for the given planet. You take one table.
Hmm.
Can you try or not? Please tell me. Or shall I do it?
Hmm. I'll try.
Hmm. Please do it.
So we have radius of Earth and then density of Earth.
Radius and density depends on the mass. Mass and ratio. You density, it is you understood what is the density, mass, how you will find, how density will be utilized.
Um,
Huh?
Density.
Yes.
I mean it's with volume,
Yeah, volume.
volume and
Volume is
mass.
equal to volume of the earth is sphere.
Uh
See, it
huh.
is not complicated,
Okay.
not simple.
So it's P R square. No, volume P R root. P R cube.
PR cube.
Uh,
No, no. See,
Volume
okay,
of
I
the
will do it.
sphere.
I will do it. Okay, these questions I will do it. The ratio of the escape velocity they are asking means VE and VE1. Am I right? Case 1, what it is given?
Mm-hmm.
Case 1, mass of the earth is m.
Uh
Correct na?
huh. Okay. Mm.
What is the mass of the earth in case 2? Because the radius is doubled and mean density are twice. Correct na? Whose radius and mean density
Mm-hmm.
both are doubled.
Double.
So mass is equal to how much? Mass is equal to, please tell me, rho density
Rho on volume.
volume. Correct na? Here mass is equal to how
Mm-hmm.
much? Here also same formula. What is the mass here? Volume. 4 by 3 pi r cube. R cube is the radius of the earth into
Mm-hmm.
density, suppose rho.
Mm-hmm.
Here density is 2 rho.
4 by 3 pi. Uh huh.
Please understand, density is 2 rho. Correct na? And
Mm-hmm.
radius is
Mm-hmm. Or 2 also.
2r.
But it's gonna
If,
be root.
no, no, density of the earth, density means what? Density into volume na. Again, volume is equal to how much? Calculate. Density is 2 rho. 2 rho.
Mm-hmm.
Volume is how much?
uh, Volume is going to be 4 pi, 4 divided on 3 pi to r cube.
2r whole cube.
Mm-hmm.
So m2. Correct na? This is m1. We are comparing both. Hai na? It is clear.
Mm-hmm.
M2 is how much?
Mm-hmm. So M2 is going to
Huh.
be 16 is
248,
going to
8
be,
into 2, 16. Yes, 16,
so
16,
sorry, M2 is
16.
going to be 16 M1.
Yes. Is it clear? Now escape velocity
Hmm.
formula is how much? Please tell me.
Escape velocity is 2 is root of 2gr.
Root 2 g we will not put here. G will be put g m r divided by r square.
Uh-huh.
Why? Because we have to
G
compare 1 correct na?
Mm-hmm.
Am I right or not? Please tell me.
1 second. So they are saying that escape velocity on Earth and other planet. Okay.
This is the basic formula na?
Mm-hmm.
You told root 2 g r. Am I right or not? In place of g I have written g m e by r square. Is it correct or not?
GME by R square.
No. No. Tell me, any doubt is there? Please tell me.
No. Yes, I understand now. I
You
understand
understand?
now. Mm-hmm.
Please tell me. Put here same formula. What you will get?
Um. So G is the same. So it's G M and then divide on R.
R is how much? Divide on R means how much R you will divide? 2R. Why 2?
1 second.
Why 2R? Because here,
Because yes, it's twice bigger.
is it clear?
Mm-hmm.
Now you got VE1 this one and VE2 this
Mm-hmm.
one. You just divide it to getting the
Mm-hmm.
ratio. What you will get?
Root of 8.
Hmm?
Wait, why did you put? It's supposed to be 2. Okay. Why did you put 2?
Which one? Tell me.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so V1 on V2 is going to be 1 on root of 8.
Hmm?
1 on root of 8.